English Daily Conversations. Topic 1. Greetings. Dialogue 1. Hi, Mike.
Oh, hi Anne. How's it going?
It's been great time so far. I've been with my family these times thanks to COVID-19 social distancing. What's new, Mike?
Nothing much. I'm still working at the BTD then.
Well, why don't you try something new?
I'm not really ready for it yet, at least in the mid of this pandemic. Well, I guess I shouldn't be so complaining.
I asked, where are you going?
I'm about to get some foods for tonight.
Well, I better let you go get some supper.
Yeah, it's great seeing you again, Anne. Maybe we could get together sometime.
Sounds great. I'll give you a call then.
That's nice. I'll be seeing you then.
Okay, Mike, enjoy your meal.
Thanks, Anne. Bye.
Bye. Dialogue 2.
Good morning, Anne.
Good morning, Ben. How are you today?
Not so good. I kind of get up at the wrong side of my bed.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How do you feel now?
Kind of irritated. Not sure why I have this feeling.
Did you stay up late last night?
No, I went to bed early at 10.
Anyway, let's go and have a coffee together. I think you'll feel better.
Okay, let's go.
Dialogue 3.
Hey Anna, you are here. I was finding you this whole afternoon.
Yeah, I'm here. I've been in the meeting room. What's up, Jenny?
I want to talk to you about the next project that we're going to work on together.
Oh, and what's that? Is that the new cartoon design?
Yeah. What do you think about it?
Great. And when should we start this project?
How about this Saturday afternoon?
Sounds good. In fact, you can come over my apartment and we'll discuss further.
Agree. Let's do that.
Dialogue 4.
Granny, what is a cupcake?
Well, my little boy, a cupcake is a cake, looks like a cup.
I want to eat cupcake. Cupcake?
Johnny, it's late now. Eating sweet at night is not good, dear.
But why, Granny?
It might give you a toothache. Well, if you don't brush your teeth.
Then can I eat? And after that I will brush my teeth.
All right, Johnny, go grab one and do what you say, okay?
Thanks, Granny.
Dialogue 5.
Hey, Tony, are you free this afternoon?
Yeah, what?
Let's go to play football with us in the schoolyard.
What time you guys gonna go?
Around 4:30. Did you finish your homework yet?
Not really. I still have some questions need to be done. I'll be there soon after finishing them.
For how long?
About 30 minutes.
That's great. Run across my house, call me, and we both go, okay? I'll see you later this afternoon.
Okay, see you then. Topic 2. Introductions. Dialogue 1. Look at that. That's a beautiful old style bike. And oh, is that Mark? Who? Mark, my old high school friend. Come on, let's go and say hello. Hey, Mark. Oh, hi, Anna. Hey, how have you been? Gee, we haven't seen each other for years. It's like 4 or 5 years. Well, been doing well lately. What about you? Everything is going okay then?
Are you going to be graduated soon?
Yeah, soon. Oh, Mark, this is Mike, one of my friends at college.
Hi, Mike. Hi there. How are you?
Geez, you're looking good these days. Are you still cycling?
Yeah, but you know what? Should we go somewhere to have a chat?
How about a cross coffee lunch then?
That's good idea. Let's go.
Dialogue 2.
Hello, may I speak to Mrs. Oz, please?
Hello, you're speaking with her.
Hello, Mrs. Oz. My name is Frank, and I'm calling from the TCS on behalf of Mark.
Oh, okay. Are you calling about the service getting done?
Yes, miss. I'm calling to inform you that you can come over and pick up your car. The door will be open until 5:30.
Okay, I will. Can you tell me how much is the charge?
I'll send you a receipt via email right after the call.
All right, that's good. I'll be there. Dialogue 3. Hey there, Ted. What are you doing here? Nothing much. Just walking around and read some books. And you? I'm here with Mark, my cousin, to buy some office stuffs. And where's Mark? Oh, here he is. Mark, this is Jim, one of the best at math students in my class. Hi, Jim. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Hey, guys, why don't we come over there and have a seat?
That's right.
Dialogue 4. Hello there. Oh, hi. My name is Peter. And what's your name? My name is Jenny, but people call me Jen. It's nice to meet you. My pleasure to meet you too. The weather is good today, isn't it? Yeah, it's kind of cloudy. Well, I like cloudy or a little bit sunshine. I don't like hot weather. Are you a new student here, Jenny? Yes, I am. I've moved here for about a month. And where did you study before? In Mexico City. Have you ever been there before? Yeah, I actually did go there on a family vacation trip last year. It's a great place. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, the teacher comes. Let's go in.
Dialogue 5. Kelly, can you go and check who's calling?
Yes, Mom.
Hello, can I speak to Anne, please?
Hello, this is Kelly, her son.
Anne, can you tell me where is Anne?
I'm a bit sorry, but she is cooking in the kitchen. She can't be on the phone right now.
It's okay. Just tell her there's Ivan calling.
Can I tell her to call you back?
Okay, you can do that.
Okay, I will. Topic 3. Family and friend. Dialogue 1. Can you tell me more about your family? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Well, I have one brother and a sister. They are all older than me. What about you? I'm an only child. What do your brother and sister do? My brother is an engineering student, and my sister is still at high school. Do you share a room with your siblings? My brother is living at the dorm. I and my sister share a room, and we divide the house chores. Oh, that's good. I often have my mom with house chores as well. What do your parents do? My mom is a work-at-home mom, and my dad is working in finance field. And your parents? My dad is an engineer, and my mom is a nurse. Do you often cook with mom? Yes, I help her with cooking 3 times a week, and the other 3 is for my sister. Which is the best food that you ever cooked? Well, let me think. It's peanut butter. Sounds too sweet for me. I'd like something a little less sweet and more sour, like mango juice or something else. Gotcha. Dialogue 2. Hey, what's up, guys? Howdy, howdy. So far, so good. Mark, this is Ben, I told you before. Hello, glad to meet you. So am I. I'd like a Starbucks Frappuccino. What about you, Ted and Ben? Well, I love an iced shaken espresso. Okay, get me an iced white chocolate mocha. Guys, what do we have for snacks here? How about BBQ potato chips? Agree. Great. All get ordered. Say, guys, where are we going after this? Why don't we have a walk in the park? That sounds okay. Dialogue 3.
Hey honey, it's Sunday. Why don't we go shopping?
It's a great idea. But you know what? We're gonna be tidying up the house for today. Hi, Mom.
Do we still have any bread?
Yeah, I think we have some 3 slices left. Let's have a quick breakfast and we're gonna do house cleaning.
Mom, can we do it next weekend? Because I want to go play badminton with friends.
No, dear. You and your dad gonna help me with this.
Dad, can you tell her?
Yes, dear. Copy that, Thomas' mom.
Dad!
Go. Let's do it.
Darling, do you mind vacuuming the floor while I'm washing up all the things?
Okay, honey. Let me check up the vacuum cleaner.
Thomas, can you help bringing those cups and bowls left under the cooker?
Okay, Mom.
Be careful, okay? Don't get things broken.
I'm trying my best.
It seems that we have lots of dust nowadays. The cleaner seems to stuck in.
Well, it's 2 weeks since the last cleaning. We better dust off every weekend.
That's not a good idea, Mom.
Dialogue 4. How old are you, Tom? I'm 10. When was you born? I was born in 2011 and I'm now 10 years old. And when is your birthday? It's on the 21st of March. Well, mine is on April 9th and I'll be 9 soon. Will you be holding a birthday party? Yes, of course. I would love to see you in my house. And when is that? It's the next Saturday. Remember to come, okay? Okay, I'll be there. Dialogue 5. Hi, Dan. Did you see our new teacher? Hi, Mary. Yes, I met him in the school library once. He looks nice, doesn't he? Yes, I think he's a good teacher. Did you finish all your homework yet? I didn't. I was sick yesterday and I forgot about it. Not sure if he will call me on. I hope not.
I hope so.
Topic 4. Daily life. Dialogue 1.
Hi, Jane. Where are you going?
Oh, hi, Susan. I'm heading to the market.
Which one?
The one downtown. There's a big sale on many items. Do you want to go with me?
Let me check. I don't know if I want to buy anything.
It's okay. Not everything is on sale, but you can do window shopping. It's up to you.
Perhaps I also need to check out some new clothes and a few more things.
Yeah. Anyway, you can shop around till you find the fit ones. It's Sunday. We've got a lot of time.
Yeah? Wait right here. Let me go back to my room and change the shoes.
Susan, are you done yet?
Here I am. Let's go.
Dialogue 2. Hey, Sam. Oh, you're back. And where's your car? Oh, hey, Joe. It's actually in the car repair shop. What's wrong with it then? Well, I was driving on the highway and the car just got broken down. Did you get involved in any accident? Luckily, there are no transportations moving around at that time. Did the mechanic tell you about its status? Well, he just got a quick check-up and said something was wrong with my engine. Oh, that could be a serious problem. I don't know, but I guess it could be expensive for the repair cost. Does he tell you when to come and pick up the car? The service guy will call and inform me back when it's done. Yeah, I hope you will have it back soon. I hope so. I'll have to take the bus to work in the next few days. Dialogue 3.
Hello, this is Always Smile Dentist office. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Sandra Mayer. I'd like to make an appointment to see the dentist.
Is this your first visit to the office?
Yes, this is my first time. I'm afraid to go to the dentist.
Don't be afraid. Our Always Smiles doctors are so gentle.
That's good to hear.
Could you tell me what's wrong with your teeth?
I have a toothache and a wisdom tooth growing problem.
We have an opening on Monday afternoon at 2 p.m.
Do you have anything in the morning? Monday afternoon I might be busy at that time.
Well, we have a Saturday morning at 9 a.m. and we don't open on Sunday.
Saturday at 9 is good for me.
Okay. Do you have any insurance?
Yes, I do. Do you accept dentist care, TM?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Okay, Sandra, please come in 10 to 15 minutes early to fill out some forms, okay?
Okay, I'll be there at 8:45 on Saturday.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Okay, bye for now. Dialogue 4. Traffic is getting worse these days. Did you get stuck in the rush hour, Mike? I wished it would be in the rush hour.
I was heading to my partner office at 9:30 a.m., but there was me on the road.
How long does it take for the congestion to be cleared up?
Well, not so long. It's about 20 minutes.
Yeah, but needless to say, it's at the time when most offices already start working. Why there's still many cars in traffic?
I don't know. Perhaps I just got a bad day.
I think I'll switch to commuting next month.
Yeah, that could be a better saving time and money option then.
Dialogue 5.
Hi, Wendy. How have you been?
Hi, Jennifer. I've been gaining weight lately.
Oh, are you interested in working out?
Yeah, I'm kinda interested, but I don't think I'll have time for the gym.
It's okay. You don't have to go to the gym if your schedule is tight. Why don't you try Chloe Ting?
Who is she?
Well, she's a great workout YouTuber with more than 14 million subscribers.
Wow, that sounds nice. But does her workouts really work out?
You can give it a try on her 2-week shred challenge.
And what is that?
Come on, just open YouTube and search for Chloe Ting and you'll see it right there.
Okay, let me see. I'm gonna start this challenge right from today.
Actually, you can record your workout videos and share the results with the people too.
It's okay. I only record to see how my progress is.
Hopefully, it will work out for ya.